Can't wait to show you what we're working on here, but first let me show you what we already completed. This deck, the Wolf PVC deck, we completed a couple of years ago with a privacy screen and In-Lite lights, and now we have extended the stonework. Of course, the step doesn't work with the stonework very well, that will have to be redone, and the skirting. And now we're working on this, what I like to call a four-season room. We're going to have a board and batten siding, aluminum soffit, fascia. The whole roof is sloping 2% towards the back, so eavesdrop only at the back. And inside, what we're going to have inside is we're going to insulate it, drywall, we're going to have lights, heaters, TV here, basically everything to make it usable all year round.